Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the scrape feature. Now at the moment I'm at a vBulletin forum, and the reason for that is all vBulletin forums, or most of them anyway, allow you to leave anchored text links in your signature and your profiles are also publicly viewable. So you can create accounts at vBulletin forums and leave links in your profiles, and this is a great way to get backlinks. So what I'm going to show you how to find a lot of different vBulletin forums. It's pretty simple. So if you go to the bottom of any vBulletin forum, you'll see this down here. It says powered by vBulletin, and that is on the bottom of every vBulletin forum. So we're going to take that notepad by notepad and we're going to put that in inverted commas. That's part of our search string. Okay, but what if we want to find all just register pages? So up here we can click on register, and on all vBulletin register pages you'll see this: in order to proceed you must agree with the following rules. So we're also going to take that back to our notepad and we're going to include that in the search string. And now this here is our search string that we're going to use to find vBulletin register pages. So we're going to copy that and we're going to go over to ScrapeBox and we're going to enter that over here. Now you also need to make sure that you choose our custom footprint here, and we're going to also enter some keywords. And we're going to let that harvest. And now this is just going to go through and take a little bit of time, and we've found 428. Also, just in case you're wondering why it's blurred down the bottom left hand corner, that's because I'm using my paid proxies now, so that's all the videos from now on will be blurred in the bottom left hand corner. Okay, so now we've got all these different pages, and what we want to do now is we want to remove the duplicates. So we're going to click on remove duplicates and remove the domains of the duplicate. That leaves us with 386. Okay, so what we want to do now is we want to scan them for their page rank. So we click on check page rank and we're given two options. The first is to check the actual URL page rank or the domain page rank. For this we're going to choose domain page rank. So now ScrapeBox will go through and check all the page rank. So I mean, as you can see, it took 14.45 seconds to scan 386 different URLs. I mean, manually that would have taken you hours, so it's really, really efficient. From here, you can click on PR up here, and that's going to sort them by PR. And from here, you can see there's some pretty good ones, some PR7, PR6, a lot of good ones. So what you want to do now is you want to get rid of the bad ones. I generally will delete anything that's PR4 or PR3 or lower, but it's up to you which ones you keep. So now you just want to highlight all the PR3s and lower, and you want to right click and remove selected URLs from list. So now we're left with 139 domains that are PR4 or better, that we can sign up to whenever we want and get backlinks almost straight away. So now you want to export them and their PR, so you're going to click on the bottom one here, import export URLs and PR, and we're going to save it as an Excel file. So now just choose wherever you want to save it, and there you go. Now I'm going to open it for you to show you what it's like. And there you go. Now I've got a list of all the URLs here and all the PR over here, and I can just go through them whenever I want and start getting some backlinks. Now there is a couple of other forum platforms that I like to use that have their own search strings, but I'm going to go into more depth about that in the PDF guide that came with your download. So that pretty much concludes this video. In the next video we're going to get into some automated blog commenting.